My video guide will provide you with instructions on how to effectively remove the new adware type application, which is called WiredBlank. So WiredBlank is actually the adware that is from the adload family. This adware is able to essentially diminish the browsing performance of your computer, and it will display a lot of intrusive advertisements that are not related to the sites that you visit. WiredBlank adware shows multiple advertisements through Safari and through Google Chrome and possibly other browsers, even though Safari is the main target of this ransomware. WiredBlank adware specifically attacks Mac computers. It is often spread through integration with some free applications, so in most of the cases, people download and install it absolutely unintentionally. So you need to access your applications through Finder. When you find this WiredBlank, right-click on it and move it to the trash. If you see any other suspicious programs, get rid of them. I also recommend that you research the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So download the program, install the software, and start researching your system with its help. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.